Hello gang, so this week we've been covering meal prep. The first day on Monday we covered some quick and dirty rules of thumb using your palm size and a spoon for meal prep combinations. Then yesterday we talked about meal prep one-on-one and some things you should consider before actually beginning your meal prep, which included about 3 or 4 questions to ask yourself before you start this journey, and that is always on IGTV. So today we're going to actually go over the physical steps of meal plans. So meal prep step number 1 is obviously plan your meal. So you want to make sure your meal includes a balance of lean protein, carbohydrates, starch, and your vegetables, and healthy fats. So one suggestion is 2 to 3 days before your meal prep day, email yourself a list of the meals that you want to eat for the next week, or compile a grocery list including the ingredients from those meal recipe lists so that you can grocery shop. And then when you go shopping, you just buy your food for those meals. Okay, so this will help save you money in the store because you won't have that urge to impulse buy, right? And if you want to know the psychology behind the whole grocery shopping aisles, the way they're created and designed and laid out, that is a real thing. Like, companies have spent tons on market research and researching consumer behavior in terms of purchasing, the psychology behind consumer behavior, and grocery layout designs are actually design the aisles and whatnot and placed to get you to buy what they want you to buy, and especially to get you to impulse buy. So it's very interesting if you geek out on stuff like that, like I do. But again, so plan your meals. So after this IGTV, I'm gonna post a meal prep combo cheat sheet that just kind of gives you a visual graphic of what you should pick, like 4 rows, and you just pick one from each row and then you get the meal. Okay, so it's most common foods to meal prep. Again, my cheat sheet will have pork, chicken, and red meat, but know that protein also includes turkey, fish, salmon, cod, shrimp, tilapia, tuna, ground beef, sausages. It also includes eggs, things that you don't think of as protein, but Greek yogurt, cheese. Protein powder is a great supplement. And then some plant-based protein options include black beans, lentils, garbanzo beans, tofu, tempeh, edamame, just to name a few. Okay, so those are the most common foods to meal prep in the protein wheelhouse. And then carbohydrates, you have your your rice, your quinoa, your whole grain pasta, your rolled oats, your oat bran, your whole grain cereal, your whole grain bread, jasmine rice, white rice, brown rice, potatoes, your sweet potatoes, your red potatoes, your white potatoes. So common meal prep foods for veggies are all your greens: the spinach, the green beans, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, asparagus, kale, carrot, snow peas, squash, butternut or acorn, jicama, spaghetti squash, all your salad fixings like your lettuce, your tomato, your cucumbers, your peppers, your onions. Now this is where people fruits can also be a part of your carbs. So your fruits, your berries, strawberries, blueberries, blackberries, raspberries, bananas, apricots, plums, apples, kiwi, melons, your cantaloupe and your honeydews, your pineapple and your pumpkin, to just name a few. Now, healthy fats, this is where people run into trouble. What are healthy fats? They include all your oils like coconut oil, avocado oil, olive oil, flax oil. Healthy fats also include your nuts, like your almonds, your macadamias, your cashews, your peanuts, your Brazil nuts. They also include seeds, your hemp seeds, your chia seeds, flax seeds, sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, and ghee. And then they also include like avocado, your butters, your nut butters or your butters, avocado, almond butter, peanut butter, toasted coconut, and cheese. So those are your most common meal prep foods. Okay, so that's step number 1, plan out your meals. Get your grocery list together, set your meal prep day. Your step number 2 is create your meal prep shopping list based on the meals you plan. So after you get what meals you want to eat for the week, then you're going to go ahead and create your meal prep shopping list. And again, that will just help you stay clear of impulse purchases or purchases based upon purely your cravings. And the rule of thumb that you hear all the time is never go to the grocery store hungry, because we tend to impulse purchase a lot of the things that we're craving if we go grocery shopping while hungry. And then step 3 is just to actually do the thing to meal prep. So again, it doesn't have to be a lengthy process like we talked about yesterday. It has to fit your lifestyle. So don't feel like you need to meal prep on a Sunday every Sunday, or you need to make 7 to 15 meals for the whole week. If you're busy, if you run a household, if you also have a stressful job, if you work at nights, meal prep a few meals at a time. Just have quick and grab 2 or 3 meals at all times in the fridge for quick grab and go. To stay on track, and meal prep on a schedule that works best for you. So again, I'm gonna have a cheat sheet, meal prep cheat sheet. That's just a quick visual. I have a lot of my clients post that onto their refrigerator, and it just helps them grab and go. I also have clients that meal prep in bulk. So instead of making actual physical set meals from recipes, clients that just like real easy, simple, quick and dirty, they don't mind eating the same thing, they'll bulk meal prep like a bunch of chicken or a bunch of lean ground beef. They also meal prep a bunch of the same carb, like a whole pot of rice or a thing of pasta or a whole thing of potatoes. And then they'll have a bunch of meal prep bulk veggies, like a bag of green beans, a huge bag from like Sam's Club or Costco of cauliflower rice. And basically they just grab and go from these huge bulk containers, and they put together their meals based upon the visual. So grab one protein, you grab one veggie, grab one starch, and then you use your fats, nuts and seeds, or your butters or oils sparingly. So I hope this was helpful. Tomorrow we tackle more nitty gritty on meal prep options and get into a little bit more of the like specific info and types of what is a protein, what is a carb, what is a veggie, what is a fat, how should I eat based upon my goals, what if I don't have any goals and I just want to focus on eating healthily and I know I should meal prep to do that, like where should I start? Have a great day, guys. Happy hump day. Take care. Bye.